Nestled in one of Abbotsford's most sought-after communities, this is luxury living at its finest. I'm Jen Kensington with the Ridgeview Realty Group. Welcome to Sumas Ridge. Perfectly positioned on an oversized corner lot, this impressive three-story home blends space, versatility, and luxury, living with breathtaking southwesterly views and exceptional indoor-outdoor entertaining. Offering the perfect balance of luxury and functionality, this remarkable home features 5 generous bedrooms, 3.5 elegant bathrooms, and 2 full kitchens designed for versatility and convenience. The outdoor patio extends the living experience beyond the walls of the home, creating an ideal setting for entertaining guests or enjoying peaceful moments in complete comfort. With every step, the home's sophistication and elegance reveal themselves. Impeccable craftsmanship, designer finishes, and breathtaking architectural features come together in perfect harmony. More than just a residence, this is a timeless showcase of luxury, prestige, and refined living. Every space has been thoughtfully designed with intention and precision. This exceptional floor plan seamlessly blends modern comfort, timeless elegance, and everyday functionality. From its expansive layout to its carefully considered details, every square foot has been optimized to create the openness, sophistication, and presence expected of a truly distinguished luxury residence. Set behind the gates of an exclusive luxury community, this remarkable residence represents the pinnacle of refined living. Combining exceptional craftsmanship, privacy, and prestige, it offers a lifestyle few will ever experience. Contact Jen Kensington with the Ridgeview Realty Group today and make this extraordinary home your own.